Hi students, welcome. So today we are discussing about how to draw the given plane and its projection. So our problem is a thin rectangular plate of sides 60 mm and 30 mm has its shorter side in the VP and inclined at 30° to the HP. Project its top view if the front view is square of 30 mm long sides. Clear? So this is our given problem. Let us consider it is a rectangular plane of sides 60 and 30. So this is longer side 60, you know that. And now a thin rectangular plate side 60 30 as its shorter side. So this shorter side is in the VP. So let us consider this is vertical plane, means it is resting on VP. So for example this is in front, but now this is resting on VP. Now and its side inclined 45°. Which side? Same, shorter side. Okay. So the shorter side in the VP and inclined at 30° to HP. So 30° to HP. Now at present it is the shorter side is perpendicular to HP. Now we need 30° to HP. At the same time project its top view if its front view is a square of 30 mm long sides. So while tilting the front view, it appears square shape of size 30 mm. So draw its projection. So now this problem is belongs to inclined to both the plane case. So first you draw a XY reference, clear. Next you draw in front view rectangle size of size how much they given 60 into 30. Above distance they not mention, so we assume some x distance above, no problem. So 60 30 above distance, clear. Right. Now this is A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash, clear. So this is front view A, B, C, D, clear. But in this problem thin rectangular plate of side only they given, not notations A, B, C, D or P, Q, R, S like that. So we put A, B, C, D, our wish. So then you draw the projection lines from here and here. Okay, now the front view is, because after tilting inclined to VP, that shorter side is resting on VP. So therefore before tilting the total plane is completely resting on VP. So therefore the top is lies on XY. Therefore this is A comma B, this is A comma D, this is B comma C, A, B, C, D like this. Now after incline finally we get the fourth diagram, but in this case the fourth diagram, that one the front view it appears square. In this problem the angle inclined to VP they not given. Okay, but we know that the final front view after inclined to VP, the front view it appears the square of size 30 30 like this. So therefore this A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. So now the front view, the project the top view if its front view appears square. Therefore after that you project it, clear. So this view is inclined to VP. Now the front view it appears square, no. So therefore let us consider this end A comma D. So how much distance in top view size? It is 60, no. So take 60 as the radius, A comma D as the center, intersect arc on that vertical line, that is projection from B dash C dash. Okay, so this is final B comma C. So actually this one. So in the same problem you determine that inclination with VP they asking, means you easily can determine. Okay, if they not asking means no problem, leave it. So this one, it is inclined to VP case only. Now once again you read the problem. A thin rectangular plate of side 60 into 30 has a shorter side in VP, the shorter side A comma D. Okay, so two shorter sides are there, A and D and C and B. We consider any one. So let us consider AD shorter side in the VP and inclined at 30 degree to HP. So 30 degree to HP means, so now let us consider first diagram, second diagram, third diagram, fourth diagram. Now the fourth and fifth diagram is same shape and size, but only one condition. Here the shorter side is, now consider the shorter side is perpendicular to HP, but we need 30 degree to HP. Clear? So you draw this line, no? So 30 degree to HP. So this one is 30 degree to HP. So therefore this is 30. So that AD and DCs are right angle. So therefore perpendicular line. So one is 30 means definitely another one is the 60. So perpendicular. So this end is D dash, A dash, B dash, C dash. Clear? So these two diagrams are same shape, only one difference. Here the AD shorter edge, AD is perpendicular to VP, here the AD is 30 degree inclined to VP. So this angle is 30 degree. This is 30 means this one is definitely 60. Clear? Right. After that you draw the projection line from A dash, from D dash, from B dash, from C dash. Clear? Similarly here A comma D projection is completely lies on XY, and now this is B comma C projection. So now where is A and B like this? So this is A versus A, this is A point. Now next B and B, this is B point. Next C versus C, C1. Next D and D, so D. So now you join A, B, C, D, finally we get clear. So this is the answer. So finally you cross check the AD. Now the AD is 30 degree inclined to HP and AD is in BP as per the given condition. Clear? So this is the solution. So final A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, similar case, final top view A, B, C, D. So this is the solution, and mention the dimensions as per the rules of dimensioning. Clear? So this is the solution for that given problem. Thank you.